What historical event was covered?
This book covered effects of instinctives and how it will apply to modern history. It discusses interactions with humans and their communication across the world. Overall, this book did not discuss one specific scenario, but rather a variety of human studies that affect the way we live and how we have grown from it.
How did the author use this event? Does this author make good use for it?
The author used this theme to make connections to our world today. We see a new perspective on common things in life that we easily don't think deeply about. It was a very insightful and interesting book to read. I believe the author made good use of it.
Please make a connection to something else that we've learned in class and how it has been used in this book.
In class, we have studied the economics of society throughout history. The book covers a variety of topics such as drug dealers and their economics. As a society, we have assumed that some drug dealers are rich, but a study in the book shows that this is false. This overall relates to our study of economics and history.
I recommend Freakonomics because it taught me a lot about life and it made me rethink about all the things that I knew before.